Hi Cancers, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be for August 15th to the 31st for you guys. And if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. So, first, I'll be looking at the current situation for you, and basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome in these 15 days for you guys. Also, while watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with you. So, please take what resonates and leave what does not. So, a small hint as to how you would know whether this reading is resonating with you. First, when I look at the current situation, see if that is resonating with you, and if that does, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate with you. Alright? So let us begin. Let's see what's going on with you currently, Cancers. Cancer, current energies, what's going on with you? Knight of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles. Okay. So, Cancers, what I see here for you guys is that there is something in your life which you are quite determined about. A Knight of Swords is always very determined. I'm seeing a sense of wanting to hold on to that thing and not let it go at any cost. Okay? Because there are hopes here. I see this Ace of Pentacle as a hope, alright? There are hopes in this situation that you have. You think this will prosper for you. Alright? I am seeing that somewhere subconsciously you want a certain thing to work out in your favor, and you really want to work hard towards it. Like you're quite determined, alright? Because there is this thing in you that at any cost I don't want to let go of this situation because it is important for me. Alright? That energy I can see here. You sense that energy, you want to make it happen. What is this? Let me clarify. What is this thing that you're determined about? Judgment. Okay, so this is about a person I am seeing, yeah, who you have very strong, you have feelings for this person and you're hopeful about the future. As I said, there are hopes here, okay? You feel quite hopeful that things will work out in your favor in the future in regards to this connection, and you feel very connected to this situation, alright? I'm also seeing somewhere that you want to put in all the effort that is needed to make this situation prosper. Okay? I'm also seeing somewhere that this person might not be very open to you. That could be a blockage. But pretty much I see an energy that you want to make it happen. You want to make things happen. You want to make this situation work in your favor and all of that. Okay? So if this resonated, let's see what can you expect in the next 15 days. Next 15 days for Cancerians. The Hermit and the Wheel of Fortune. Three of Wands and Two of Wands. Okay. So you got to, it will still be going on the way it is going on right now. So you have to be, again, you will have to be patient. So, I mean, what this is giving me is that there will be rays of hope in between. Like your patience will not be as tested as it is being done right now at some point, and then things will again be fine. So I'm seeing a test of patience a bit, but the point is that yes, there is hope here. So don't give up hope. Yeah. There is a chance of this person becoming that stability for you that you always visualized or you've always wanted. Okay? I can see this connection grow with the coming time. Alright? This connection can prosper with time. I'm seeing this connection working in your favor, things becoming better with time. But again, you have to have a vision, because I have Two of Wands in big and small. This is like pulling my eyes a lot. So I'm just seeing that no matter, it's this situation requires you to be very determined, small or big, but you have to be quite open, alright, and allow things to happen. Now the thing is, the situation will change for good in the next 15 days, I'm getting. But the point is that there will be phases where you will feel lonely. There will be phases where you can feel that, oh my god, there's nobody with me. Alright? So those phases are going to be there. This I can see. Okay? However, it's like you have to understand what you can do and what you cannot do. That is something that you will have to understand. Alright? Now, with that also I am seeing a sense of patience testing a lot. Okay? That's what I'm picking up. The next 15 days are crucial. Things will change for the good, provided you have the patience to deal with it. Because I see that your patience will be tested at some point or the other. Alright? Now, so if this resonated, let me see an advice for you, Cancerians. What is the advice for Cancerians? Yang, exchanging gifts. Oh wow, yin. So look, this is a lot similar to my Instagram reading that I did today, but I don't know when. I mean, I don't think it'll match, but this is for 9th of August Instagram reading. If you go and read that, you'll find a big similarity. Okay, you both are a divine couple, alright? And if this is to do with a relationship. Now the thing is, you both have shadows which you both are facing, okay? So this work will take some time, and you guys, both of you in fact, will have to be open with each other to allow this thing to happen. Okay? It can't be going on like it's more of like patience testing right now. That's the major line that I'm getting here for you guys, Cancerians. So it's probably like you will have to handle it if you want this to work out. And I know it sounds very, very harsh, but yeah, it's like you facing your own shadows with this person. Okay? That is what I'm seeing. So this connection has a potential. I said that things are changing for the good, but yes, there is this shadow work that needs to be done. Okay? So that is what I'm seeing for you guys, Cancerians. I hope this reading resonated with you. Also guys, I have 2 pages on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals. So you can check both of them out and let me know. As in, you can follow them. If you want to know about crystal healing and Reiki, there is a page there, Mishi Blue Merchandise. And for tarot, it's Mishi Blue _ I think Mishi Blue Tarot _ official. Both the links are there in the description, so you can check that out. Alright? And I shall see you soon with more readings. Take care. Bye.